authentic Mexican churros. Guys, this recipe is so simple, anyone can make it, okay? In this first step, we have here 4 cups of water and also 4 cups of flour. We're gonna add a splash of vanilla, and this recipe is so simple. Those 2 ingredients are going to come to a boil. After that, turn off the heat and add your flour just like this, okay? And you're gonna take a wooden spoon and you're gonna mix this up, okay? This is going to be your final consistency, like this. As you could see, it's very sticky. You're gonna take some pastry bag. I recommend you use a thick pastry bag with a star tip, and you guys are going to squeeze this mixture. And as you can see, we have our hot oil nice and ready. This recipe is not complicated, so I hope you guys leave me a comment if you guys made this recipe and it was a success, which it will be. It's just so simple to make. And whenever you have your churros ready, as you could see, just fry them really well. Take your time. I don't know if you guys, but this color looks just so beautiful and amazing, okay? After you guys have fried your churros, you're going to take them out. You're going to strain them, and you're going to make the mixture, which it's going to be some sugar and cinnamon, all just up to taste. It's just, and then you're gonna take your churros and you are going to cover them in this sweet cinnamon sugar mixture. And this is it, guys. I hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends if you like it, and leave me a comment. And this way I make sure this was a success. So see you next time. Bye.